So this is a place that we stayed in Bali, and to be honest, a little bit too posh for me. I'm more of a durian farm kind of girl, but we got a really good deal, so we grabbed it. And this chlorine pool, as you can see here, I jumped in there a few times, although I don't like chlorine pools because, you're just going to suck it into your body and it's not particularly healthy. But when it's hot, it's so hard to resist. And there's an outdoor shower there. We've got a bit of art on the walls there. A beautiful place to work, and I've been working on my book, which is going to be released January 1st, My Naked Lunchbox, so wait for that. And we got a water section here, which is really the most depressing part for me because these fish are being basically caged. They're imprisoned against their will in this pond, and there's so many of them, but you can't do anything about it in this sort of situation. I talked to the owners, but yeah, it's tough. So that's the walkway, which is beautiful, but the fish obviously not. And this is the kitchen where we ate a lot of durian, which is very, very important because that's, a big part of the reason that I go to tropical countries for the tropical exotic fruit. And it's got a spot over there where I actually dumped a lot of fruit compost over the fence, which is really great. And the place is huge. It's really, really big, as you can see here. And it's more like for like a family, but the deal was so good that we're like, well, it's in the location that we want to be and it's a good price because it's low season, so we grabbed it. And for the most part, Bali is really cost effective. Say you have 50,000 rupiah, which is the local currency. In Australian, that is $5. And 500,000 rupiah is $50. So you can work that out with your own currency. And just a reminder about the fish. Please stop imprisoning fish and other aquatic life in these cages, because that's what they are, like water cages. Because these animals would be roaming so far if they weren't imprisoned in this bullshit. So there's tons of awesome fruit if you go to Bali in November. A lot of durians, a lot of mangosteen, really good prices. For these durians, they were about $2 each, and you can get them as low as $1 for a whole durian, which is pretty much unheard of anywhere else in the world. The mangosteen, very, very sweet. And these are more of a wild variety of durian. As you can see, a bigger seed, less flesh, but really tasty. So here we have a white mango, which is called wani, and it is a really, really unique mango. It's got this like creamy, sweet, almost also cheese-like as well. And it's very, very different. Nothing like the normal mango, that's for sure. Worth a try when you're in Bali if you can find it, but it's extremely rare. And here we have more durian. There's many different varieties of durian. Look at that. Oh, so good. I can eat durian all day, every day for the rest of my life and be a very, very happy woman. That's for sure. This was actually the best durian that I had when I was over in Bali, and it was $5 for, a good size, and which is quite expensive, but it was so worth it. In Australia, that kind of durian this size would be about, maybe about $30. At least $30. Look at that creamy yellow flesh. Oh, you have to get yourself to Asia and try durian. It is a life-changing experience, and it will replace any cooked meal that you're having at the moment because it is just pure pleasure, sweet, creamy pleasure. Little balcony area and into the beautiful house. Loving the ceiling. Kitchen. Little sunroom thing, plant area. The bathroom. Look at these little handles. Nice. basically an outdoor shower. Really beautiful. 2 different heads. That's always nice. My bedroom. 1,000 pillows. And I love how it opens onto the balcony. Really cool. Beautiful mural. And the backyard, look at this. It's small, but it's a little piece of nature, which is exactly what you need when there's motorbikes everywhere and fumes and all that sort of shit. So you can come here and chill. Little outdoor area.
You know the black fruit?
The snake fruit?
No. This is the palm sugar fruit.
Palm sugar fruit,
Palm
yeah.
sugar fruit.
Yeah.
So it's inside is very sweet. It's the white color seed. And then it's also the water inside is good to drink like coconut.
Really?
Like coconut. Just similar in the coconut.
Baby. Hello. Hello. Oh, I wish I could free you. Oh. It's horrible. Hello. 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 Hey. It's okay. Oh no, babies. This is disgusting. It's the world we live in. Hello, babies. Hello. This is too much. It's an ocean of durian. It's like Montong. That's good. Hello. Oh, my favorite food. It's very good. Tasty.
Durian
Bangkok? Is this from Thailand?
No, durian Bangkok is named in Bali.
Oh, durian Bangkok.
Durian Bangkok.
Bangkok lagi Bu?
Mentega. Mentega ini lebih kuning ya.
Di gudang ada sek.
Ano ni ka? Sekte?
Where are we now?
Oh yeah.
Where are we?
We are in the Singaraja.
Singaraja.
Near the Singaraja.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good durian store.
Durian.
How much per kilo here?
Ni ni.
50,000.
50,000?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry. For 50. 1 is 50,000.
Mahal.
Mana?
Are we up in the clouds?
Yes.
What elevation is it?
This one's elevation.
Yeah, how high? Like 1,000 meters?
Yeah, around 2,000.
You think?